Okay guys, this is potential energy, kinetic energy, potential energy worksheet. Don't forget, here's your friend again. Equation. A spring with a force constant has a relaxed length of 1.6. That means it's not stretched. After 30 joules of work done on the spring, stretching it, what is the new length? Well, right off the bat, the spring is not stretched, so it has no, oops, let me get my pen, sorry. Let's see what this is, get rid of that. The spring is not stretched, so that tells you that you have no potential due to the spring, has no height, nothing's moving. Afterwards, the spring is stretched, so it has some potential. No gravitational, no kinetic, and it has some work because they told you so. So now that becomes very easy. Hold on. It should now make your equation a whole lot easier. All you got to look at now is you're dealing with 0 because nothing's left on the right side, left side, equals the final potential energy due to the spring minus W. The question says, what is the new length? Well, W is equal to U spring. You know, W is equal to force times distance is equal to US spring. And you know spring is equal to 1/2 kx squared. Notice I have x's and d's, so I'm going to go back over here and make this x, this d right here, and x equals 1/2 kx squared. Now we have to deal with how much work. We don't even need this, I'm sorry. Let's eliminate that. Let's put work is equal to 1/2 kx squared. Multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the fraction. That gives you 2w is equal to kx squared. We're going to switch this around. Kx squared is equal to 2w. Now I'm going to divide both sides by k. Both sides by k. Kill. That gives me x squared is equal to, oops, sorry, that's horrible. Let's get an eraser and erase that. That's just pitiful. Let's go back to the pen. There we go. Scroll up, give us a little more room. We now know that x squared is equal to 2w divided by k. K is a spring constant, the stiffness. Square root the whole thing, remember? So x is now equal to the square root of 2 times the work, which was 30, divided by the k, which is a spring constant. So x is equal to the square root of 60 over 185. Get my handy dandy calculator. I slide it over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. I always like to take care of the inside first. Divided by 185. Get my answer, then hit the square root. Okay, be careful. That answer is 5.7, which tells us that x is equal to 0.57, but that wasn't the question. The x tells you how much it's stretched by. The question is, what is the new length? So you got to realize that the new length is equal to 0.57 plus, let's see, 1.6, and that should turn out to be 2.17 meters. Is that correct? Let's make sure we're okay. Yep, 2.17 meters. I'm going to go confirm that answer, and that is correct. Number 5, that is correct. Just remember, learn this equation. That's crucial. Eliminate what you don't have. Thanks. All right.